it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and I'm really looking forward to, in today's video, sharing with you all a delicious vegan trifle recipe. This is so delicious, isn't it, Mum?
It is. It's trifle that we love making.
We do, and we thought we'd make strawberry jelly today.
Yeah, we thought we would sometimes make strawberry jelly, sometimes we make different jellies from squash, don't we?
We do. Should we get everything ready, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you.
Here we have the 1 teaspoon of agar-agar and 1 teaspoon of pectin, along with the 250 ml of squash of your choice. We did find out the hard way that pineapple squash doesn't work.
We did, didn't we? But they're made up to 400 ml with cold water.
This is to make enough jelly for a 1 litre Pyrex dish, and here is the 1.5 cups of sponge that we used. If you haven't seen the video from when we made the golden syrup sponge, we'll link it up there. But with not using the golden syrup at the bottom to cook it.
That's it. So this is being used in a litre Pyrex dish, which would be enough with the squash and all the other elements to make the trifle. Should we get started?
Definitely. We're now adding the squash and water to the pan to bring it to a gentle simmer. While the strawberry squash and water are coming up to the boil, we thought we'd cut up the sponge into the bowl.
That's a great idea.
Your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow.
Now it has heated through, we're going to add the pectin and the agar-agar, constantly whisking it. You need to stir it constantly for 3 to 4 minutes to bring it to a boil, so that all the agar-agar and the pectin are dissolved. Let's get in there now.
It is. Gotta keep on whisking it.
Definitely. We're now adding a tablespoon of sugar, which is optional. Now the jelly is ready, so we'll put it onto the sponge.
I think that's a great idea.
We're now just mixing it all in so they all get some nice jelly soaked in. Leave it for about an hour to cool. Now time to make the custard. We're using Bird's custard, which is absolutely vegan. We're adding a heaped tablespoon of custard powder. And a rounded tablespoon of sugar. Give a good whisk first, and then we'll be adding the plant milk of our choice. We need a runny paste with no lumps.
This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Join dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all.
Now it's at this consistency, we're not going to get any lumps in our custard. And now I'm going to add 300 ml of plant milk. Keep whisking. On a medium heat, we're going to whisk this until it thickens. We're now adding the custard to the sponge and jelly. We like a really, really thick custard. Now time to make the cream. We're using 100 ml of vegan plant cream of your choice, also along with a teaspoon of sugar. We're going to whip this to stiff peaks.
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my fears. All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place.
We're now adding the cream, top the trifle, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of grated vegan chocolate.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side.
Really can't wait to try trifle. Oh, it smells so good.
Wow, tastes good.
It's delicious.
It really is. All the flavours go so well together too. And the jelly's set perfectly. The custard is lovely and thick. And the cream is so light and airy.
Tastes amazing.
It does.
It really does.
So good, Angharad.
I will definitely be making this.
That's great.
This is amazing. Thank you, Angharads.
Welcome. It's lovely.
Thank you.
We really enjoyed sharing this recipe video with you all. We really hope that you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to notify when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you enjoyed trifle. Or if you don't like trifle, what's your favourite vegan pudding?
I think that's a great
That's an
question.
amazing question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye!